Welcome to Avalonia, Viera's premier carefree living community, where modern coastal design meets elevated lifestyle. Whether you're a busy professional, young family, or just looking to downsize without compromising on luxury, Avalonia offers the perfect blend of convenience and comfort. Additionally, these attached villa homes are not only thoughtfully designed and energy efficient, but they also include a host of premium features. From gas ranges and tankless water heaters to impact-resistant windows and an integrated pest control system, every detail has been carefully considered to ensure your peace of mind. But Avalonia isn't just about beautiful homes, it's about community. As part of the Addison Village, residents gain access to the 9,000 square foot Addison Village Clubhouse, where endless opportunities for relaxation and recreation await. From sparkling pools to tennis courts, pickleball, and so much more, there's literally something for everyone to enjoy. And let's not forget about Viera itself, a vibrant community brimming with entertainment, dining, and outdoor adventures. With premier shopping destinations like the Avenue Viera and Barrows West, as well as multiple parks, golf courses, and quick access to beaches, there's always something exciting to explore. All of the homes in Avalonia have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Where they differ is size, so you can pick the one that's right for you. If you're ready to experience carefree living at its finest, come home to Avalonia. Contact me today to schedule your tour and start living your best life. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you around here.